How you don't let them know you want me in your bed, 'cause I'm in your head. No, 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 no.
Are we record?
Yeah.
Aren't you gonna do your introduction?
Yo, what is up, guys? It is your friend Mythic Gaming here. Today we're about to react to a video called Dax Coronavirus State of Emergency.
Oh, he doesn't introduce me. I'm what they call Big Pikachu. And I'm here to get you, fools. Let's watch some coronavirus.
This is my dad.
Hi. I'm Big Pikachu, though. For real. I'll find you.
Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you're new, if you haven't done it already, and please comment something down in the comments below what you want me to react to or play next in the video. But let's get started.
Global emergency.
It's supposed to be a pandemic.
The next week is going to be our Pearl Harbor moment. It's going to be our 9/11 moment.
You
It's
can
going to be the
tell it's a
hardest
pandemic.
moment
Fool
for
needs to go
many
see a
Americans in
barber
their
with that
entire
haircut
lives.
he's got on.
Yeah, this quarantine has got me feeling like I'm locked in a prison. I got coffins for these beats, they better stay at a distance. Went to Costco for some tissue, they said 2 was the limit. I saw
Why
a
is he
brand
wearing
cat,
a
I have to
reflective
fight it again.
vest?
Everybody's turning animalistic. Food next to
Oh, you gotta get this crap. You gotta let this play, dude. Come on, go. Let that
world's
play.
going cannibalistic. Going crazy, we all stuck on our phone. The quarantine, Macaulay Culkin, this a movie. We all home alone. We got bills, Mr. Gates. I wonder how the doctors feel. They gon' have to go see Dr. Phil, Mr. Gates. By the way, if you've ever talked behind my back, that shit's okay. I might get sick if you come say it to my face. This shit's a pandemic, certified crisis. I remember when Corona was a beer and not a man-made virus. I remember getting sick, wasn't shit. Now we panic when we cough, sneeze, or feel like we got any type of sinus. What we do now, only option is to pray. If you don't want to be 6 feet under, stay.
What do you think about that?
That old TV used to have one of those when I was like 15. Or no, or his rapping. His
Yeah.
rapping sucks. I could do better and I'm white. Like, come on, what the heck? This dude's trash.
Dang.
Pennywise could do better than this fool. He's sitting there with his little mask on, his little filters, like, oh, I'm so mad because I can't rap. None of my albums sold. Oh, God, my family bought all my albums. I can't even go copper, much less platinum or gold records.
He's trying.
6 away, stay home, hide your kids, watch your hands, be safe. It's like a Greyhound bus and it's stopping in every state. Ain't it funny? How them kids think it's funny and they wanna go and play on spring break. Stupid kids, they gon' sleep in a bed that they made and then be mad when them same springs that they had break. Can't escape, shit is viral. I was on it way before it hit the news. This is man-made, clickbaited, automated views. This is way more deadly than the flu, way stronger than the devil. Even he couldn't empty the church pews. You a fool if you think it's fake. Onset symptoms after 14 days until your lungs fail and you suffocate. Assisted respiration by a ventilate. Mass population declaration, a reason to eliminate from Africa to Italy, Nigeria to Sicily. This virus 5G and has global connectivity. Thieving in the night as it creeps in your vicinity and robs you of your basic motor function capabilities. So my task before the world panics and runs out of all the masks, before discrimination of Asians becomes something we let pass, forgetting that the problem stems from something we can't grasp. Before you yell conspiracy, before you tweet at Donald like it's really gonna fix the situation, but you have no validity. Before the stocks plummet, before every industry realizes that it's workers who slave actually run it, before total lockdown and depression and anxiety and long nights alone with no contact with society, the riot.
Okay, what do you think about him? Like saying all this stuff about Donald Trump tweeting.
Was he going against Trump?
He's saying that like it's not gonna help anything if they tweet Trump about this stuff.
You don't know. That fool listens.
He does listen.
Donald Trump listens. That fool crazy too.
Yeah.
He says what he wants when he wants. Apparently, I'm sure Donald Trump could have rapped this better than this fool could have.
Bruh.
This title.
I hope this dude kept that reflective vest to get a day job when he can't do anything.
It's the Tanks 9 90 days of sobriety and social validation off IG notoriety. Before you go crazy, way before you choose the worst time in mankind to have an unplanned baby, just know we're a part of the remedy. We on the same team, and Corona is the enemy.
You talking about
Stay
the virus or the beer, homie?
Be safe and look out for each other.
What do you think about the rap?
Like I said, the music was decent. The lyrics are, and this fool was straight garbage. I could have done better. And I know pushing 40 and white, I could rap better than that. So god dang.
This video has that many views?
I think y'all gave him 225,332 mini views.
Yeah.
To be honest.
That rap wasn't as good at all.
Heck no.
Anyways, guys, if you like this video, as again I said, please like and subscribe, guys. I believe we can hit 250 subs in this year, guys. Let's try to hit that goal, because that goal would mean everything. Yes.
And if you want to see more Big Pikachu, comment and subscribe, and I'll be in more. And I'll have more of my crazy comments.
Anyways, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Head down like I was nothing